Hello makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel Infinite Risha. I am Rishani. Today I have created this Nude Glam makeup tutorial for you all, and you can see the glow on my face. Yes, I have to mention this because I am so excited about this product. I don't know why. And this is Swiss Beauty Professional Blusher, but I use it as highlighter on my face, and I don't know why I am loving this product a lot nowadays, and I am using this product a lot. And in this price range you are getting this highlighter. It's an amazing product. You can give a try, and I'll mention the price on the screen because I'm not sure about the price. It's around 200 I think, so I'll mention this. Yes, I'll give the link in the description box so that you can buy from there, and I'm loving this product. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. So I have done my eyebrows off screen because I take lots of time to draw my eyebrows. And if you didn't watch my eyebrow tutorial how I draw my eyebrows, then do watch it. I'll give the link in the description box or in the I button. And now I am using a good moisturizer before I apply any kind of face makeup on my skin. And this is Biotique wheatgerm night face cream, which I am using is for dry to combination skin. And now I am going to apply a good primer. This is Wet n Wild illuminating primer. So as I am doing a night party makeup, so I want to glow as well, and this primer keeps my foundation long lasting and gives an amazing glow on my face. So I have applied this primer on my higher points of my face. Now I am going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me foundation on my face in the shade 228 Soft Tan. At first, I'll apply the foundation with the help of my fingertip on my face, and then I'll blend it with a damp beauty blender. Now here I am using NYB contour stick to contour my face. Now I am using this NYB concealer to conceal as well as highlight my under eyes and all of the higher points of my face. I use this concealer to highlight my face because it's lighter than my actual skin shade, and it gives a good highlighting effect to my face. And don't worry, because I'll mention all the product links into my description box, so do check it. So here I am using a DIY banana powder which I have made at home with very simple steps. So if you want to know how I have made it, so do watch it. I'll give that link in the description box. And I am using this banana powder to bake my face, and it gives a beautiful highlighting effect for its yellowish tone. And I'll also use this powder to set my eyelid. Now as a transition shade I am picking this color and I'll blend it into my crease line. And now I am using this yellow shade to blend my transition color. And then I am picking this dark brown color and I am placing it into my crease line. And I am pulling that eyeshadow in an outward direction to give an eyeliner effect. Now I am gonna blend that crease eyeshadow with that yellow eyeshadow so that no harsh lines are visible. And again I am putting that brown eyeshadow on my outer and inner portion of my eyelid to just give a depth to my eyes. And now I am going to apply this golden glitter on the middle portion of my eyelid. And now I'll make sure that all of my eyeshadows are blended well and no harsh lines are there. Then I am taking this bronzy kind of shade to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And now I am gonna apply this Europe Girl lash extensions and you can see the look. After that I am going to apply my eyeliner with this Lakme eyeliner pen. And I am trying to draw just a wing eyeliner. And I am applying this kajal into my waterline. Now with the help of a smudging brush, I'll smudge my kajal. And if you watch my all videos, you will see that I usually smudge my kajal. I like to smudge my kajal because I love this smudging effect in my eyes. Now I'll brush off all the excess powder from my face and then I am gonna use this blush palette. This is Miss Clear blush palette and I am going to use this contour shade to bronze my face because it gives a warmth to my face. Then I am applying this pinky peachy kind of shade as my blush. And I love to apply a little bit of blush on my nose and on my chin. Then I am applying a setting spray from Blue Heaven. And now it's time for this highlighter, guys. This highlighter is a just bomb highlighter I have seen in my life in this affordable range, so you must give a try. And now I am going to apply this Lakme Matte Plus Primer Lipstick in the shade Caramel Cut. So I hope today you have enjoyed my video, and if you have enjoyed my video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Infinite Risha. And if you are new here then welcome to my channel. I am Rishani and I post different types of videos, vlogs, DIYs, etc. So you can go and watch my videos. And if you like my content then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and beside the subscribe button there is one little bell icon, so go and click on it and you will get all the notification whenever I post any new video. So meet you soon in my next video. Tata.